Okay, folks. Now, we've got two cylinders here in the form of these cans. And A asks us to find the amount of area of metal needed for each can. Okay, now this is in black and white. I'm going to outline this one in blue. There's our cylinder. Isn't it nice? It's a paint can. Okay. Nice. This one I'm going to outline in green. Okay. They want us to find the surface area for each one of these things. Now, I'm going to scoot down just a little bit here. We've got all we need. Now, for this blue one, remember I've got a circle on the top. I've got a rectangle in the middle when I cut it open, and I have another circle. Okay? Now, what's the first thing I want to find the area of? You get to pick, Vivian. You want to find the rectangle? Let's do that. All right, so here's the rectangle. I'll put R-E-C-T. Okay? The area of the rectangle, remember, is pi times d times h, right? Because pi times d, that circumference, is the same thing as the base of that rectangle. So pi times d times h, that's 3.14. What's the diameter, Vivian?
8 centimeters.
I'm sorry?
8 centimeters.
No, the radius is 8 centimeters. The diameter is 16 centimeters. And what's the height of this can? 22. Okay? Now, someone with a calculator, raise your hand if you can tell me what all of those things multiplied together equal. Raise your hand as soon as you've got it. Shannon. 0.28. Perfect. Okay? So now we're done with the rectangle. Here, let me put it in there. 1,105.28. I didn't put it in there right. Okay? Now we'll get it in there right. 1,000, okay. All right. It's going to happen, I promise. 1,105.28. Thank you, Shannon. Okay? How about the area of one of those circles? Who's going to find the area of that? How do I find the area? What's the formula for the area of the circle, Judd?
2 times pi times
Nope.
r.
It's not 2 times pi times r. What's the formula for the area of a circle? Chloe?
Pi times radius squared.
Pi times radius squared. So that's going to be 3.14 times, what is the radius of this thing, Connor? 8 centimeters. Okay, now let me extend the page. I'll go back up there so we can see. But that's going to give us 3.14 times 64. Who can tell me what that equals? You've got your calculators. Emma, what do you have? 200.96. Now, Emma, that means that this circle on top is 200.96. What's this circle on the bottom? 200.96. So what's the area of this entire can? Who has a calculator and they can figure that out for me? Emma, you got it?
201.
No, that's the two circles. Read. 1,507.2 centimeters squared. And you know what? Read, I'm going to move this piece over just a little bit, and I'm going to box it in. Okay? That's our area for the blue can. Okay, now Megan, I'm going over the green can. Remember, I've got two circles and a rectangle, right? Which do you want to find first, Megan? Area of the rectangle. Remember, the rectangle is equal to pi times d times h, right? Okay, so I'm going to use 3.14 times, what's the diameter for that one, Megan?
11.
The diameter of the circle? That's the radius. What's the diameter of the circle?
8.
8. Good. And the height?
11.
11. Okay, who's got a calculator and they're going to punch that in there and give me what those numbers equal when they get multiplied, or when they are multiplied. Do something. Sophia.
276.32.